Hello traders! Today we will look at how you can start your free trial account which you can use to master your trading skills. Here we are on our FTMO homepage. First, you have to sign up and create a registration by clicking on the blue box to access the client area. Now, fill in all the necessary personal details to create the account. We will need your name, email, phone number, and your country of residence. Finally, you will be asked to agree with the privacy policy terms, as well as confirming that the name used is real and correct. Receiving the newsletter is optional, but highly recommended. Don't worry, we will not spam you with annoying ads. We use the newsletter simply to keep our traders updated. And finally, please verify that you are not a robot. Now you will receive a welcome email from FTMO, which grants you access to the client area where you can later set up your first free trial. This is where you can set your password, so let's click on that. Once the password is set, you will be moved to the login page, which you will be using to access your client area by entering your email address and your recently created password. Once you log into your client area, there are, among others, two base options. You can either start the FTMO challenge right away, or you can go for the free trial, which is what we are going to do and which we also recommend to all traders that are new to FTMO. Now configure all the aspects of your free trial account. The choice is completely up to you, so choose your account currency, risk type, account balance, account type, and the trading platform as well. Once again, please don't forget to agree on processing the personal data according to the privacy policy. And now the account has been created. The login credentials are generated and are available in the client area. You can also download the trading platform using the provided link. In this case, we went for MetaTrader 4. Once the platform is installed, the terminal will finally show up. Down here is where you can find the connection icon, so just click on that and press login. This is where you are supposed to enter your login credentials from the client area, so you can just copy-paste them. Make sure to select the demo server, and there we go. You're now successfully logged in and you can start trading. To follow your progress, go back to the client area and press the account matrix icon on your selected account. The account matrix is where you'll be spending quite a lot of time while trading with FTMO, as it allows you to follow your current results using various indicators, such as your balance curve, for example. As you can see, I have already placed a few trades and I can monitor my trading objectives of minimum 5 trading days, max daily loss, max loss, and profit target. As you may have also noticed, there is a slight change in the trading objectives compared to the FTMO challenge. As the duration of the free trial is only 14 days, the minimum of required trading days and the profit target are reduced by 50% as well. Below the trading objective section, you can see the overall statistics of your trading as well as your trading journal, which records all of your trades for further analysis. Once the free trial expires, you will receive a shortened version of the account analysis, in which we will summarize the basic data of your past trading. During the evaluation process and on the FTMO account, you will be provided with a full expanded analysis. Alright traders, that's all for today's video, and I hope you have enjoyed the video, and I wish you all the best and trade safe.